To set the desired humidity level, turn on the machine and the current humidity level will be displayed. Then use the plus and minus buttons to set your target humidity. To set a switch-off timer, with the dehumidifier already running, press the time button. Then with the plus and minus buttons, set your desired switch-off time. These can only be set in 30-minute increments. To set a switch-on timer, first make sure the dehumidifier is switched off. Then press the time button and set your desired switch-on time with the plus and minus buttons. To properly set the time, first switch the dehumidifier on. Press the hour button and use the plus and minus buttons to set the minutes. Once the minutes have been set, press the hour button again and set the hour. To confirm the time, press the hour button again. This dehumidifier is fitted with an internal pump which will drain away any water that is collected. Make sure that the drainage tube is in an appropriate place before leaving the dehumidifier to run. Instruction manuals and safety documentation can be found by scanning the QR code under the handle.